Now, I know there haven't been a ton of Dewalt deals out there, but I'm telling you now, I found some crazy, crazy awesome ones. Let me show you the first one, and I'll put a link in the description below for each one of these. I don't know how long they're going to last. This right here is the 20 volt 5AH Dewalt battery. 64% off on Amazon. It's only $64.99. Now, to show you a comparison, so the Home Depot has the exact same battery at 34% off at $119. So that's what we're talking about here. That's the type of money that you can save with these deals that I'm going to show you. All right, look at this freaking battery right here. This is the 1.5 AH for only $27. So if you're using a sander or if you're using a multi-tool or something that just you want to keep it a little bit lighter, look at it, 72% off. Now, we definitely have more than just batteries here, but check this out. $179, you get two 20-volt XR 6AH batteries at 33% off at only $179. This is like Christmas time Black Friday prices. And again, I don't know how long they're going to last, but let's move it to another one. Now, here's one more deal for the bat rays. You get two 5AH batteries, you get the charger, you get the bag, 47% off at $169. All right, check this out. This is the Dewalt. It's a 23 piece. It's the SAE metric 3/8 inch, 49%. Home Depot ain't got deals like this. Home Depot ain't got deals like that. $42. Not $42.99, $42.11. 49% off. Let's move it to the next. Here is 108 pieces. The SAE is a 3/8 and a 1/4 inch, 53% off, $87 right there. Let's move it to the next one. The Dewalt Headlamp, check this out, 43% off. You're looking at $20, $19.99 for that. 44% off, $66.62 for the Dewalt 20 volt max work lights, the handheld tool only. There you go. Again, links are in the description below. These deals are so real nice, like you may just want to get subscribed. Look at this, 37% off, $206.85 for the Dewalt 20 volt. It's a rotary hammer SDS with 1/8 inch. It's a tool only, $206 off. Right here, you're saving 31% off for $157. It's a tool only, but this is the Dewalt 20 volt max angle grinder tool. This, my friend, is an excellent, excellent buy. Usually the best you find these for, even around Black Friday, for this kit is $100. This is $111.25, 38% off. Not only are you getting that multi-tool, you're getting the charger, you're getting the case, and that's an excellent multi-tool, by the way, and you're getting that 1.5 battery that we showed you earlier. So if you pick this up and then pick up another 1.5 for that, what, $27? That is a freaking awesome buy. Oh, is that subscriber worthy? Now, not the best deal I found on this, but definitely not the worst. 26% off, $117 for the tool-only orbital sander. That's the 20 volt max, and that is a fantastic sander, by the way. And one more here, the 20 volt max XR. This is the 1/2 inch. This is the impact wrench, 22% off. It's the high torque. This is not mid, low torque. It's the high torque, $279.39. And let me tell you something. This is from the Dewalt store. This is not third-party sellers. This is not refurbished. This is coming from, look at this, the Dewalt store themselves. Now, there are other Dewalt deals out there. They're not that great, like 5%, 10%. I ain't gonna waste your time with that. But what I would ask you to do is please smash that like button, get subscribed, hit that bell notification if you want to see more tool deals like you just did. We'll be back with more videos soon.